In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock WhatsApp on your laptop with a PIN, using the latest update. Whether you're concerned about privacy or just want an extra layer of security on your messages, adding a PIN is a straightforward and effective solution. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to start by opening WhatsApp Desktop, or, if you prefer, accessing WhatsApp Web through your browser. This setup works on both platforms, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're at the main screen of WhatsApp, direct your attention to the top corner of the window. You'll notice three little dots. They're either in the top left or top right corner, depending on your version or platform. Now, click on those three dots. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options to tailor your WhatsApp experience. Here, your goal is to find the screen lock, or, in some versions, it might be labeled App Lock. Select this option to proceed to the next step. What's next is enabling the screen lock feature. By toggling this feature on, you're initiating the setup process for your new PIN. After you do that, a prompt will appear asking you to enter your desired PIN or password. It's crucial to choose a PIN that you can remember easily, but is not too simple for others to guess. Something personal yet secure is ideal. Once your PIN is set, you'll have the option to decide how soon the app will auto-lock. This feature offers flexibility and enhances security, especially if you often leave your device unattended. You can select a time frame that suits your needs. Options often range from 1 minute to 15 minutes. If you're the type of person who occasionally forgets to log out, consider setting a shorter auto-lock time for added security. After setting the auto-lock time, you're ready to test this new security layer. Go ahead and close WhatsApp. The next time you open it, you'll be prompted to enter the PIN you just created. This ensures that any unauthorized access to your WhatsApp will be halted immediately, protecting your conversations and shared media from prying eyes. By following these steps, you've successfully added a PIN lock to your WhatsApp application on your laptop. Not only does this keep your data safe, but it gives you peace of mind knowing that your personal and professional exchanges remain secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you enhance your WhatsApp security. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and how-tos. Until next time, stay safe and curious about the technology around you.